Good morning students. In this video I am going to solve brain teasers chapter 10, that is angle. Now let us come with me to solve this brain teaser questions. Now the question, tick the correct answer. What kind of angle do you get when you open any two adjacent fingers of your hand? We will get acute angle. An angle measuring 240 degree is dash 240 degree, that is more than 180 less than 360, so it is a reflex angle. Now the next question, the supplement of an angle 75 degree is dash. Supplement means sum of two angle is 180. So one angle is 75, so another angle will be 105. The complement of an angle of 50 degree is dash. Complement angle, the sum of two angle is 90 degree. One angle is 55, so another will be 35 degree. How many right angles make one complete angle? Complete angle means 360 degree angle. So 90 multiplied by 4 equal to 360. So result will be, answer will be 4. Now the next question, how many degrees are there in angle made by hour hand and the minute hand of a clock when it is 9 o'clock? If we observe this clock, we have seen hour hand, and this is hour hand and this is minute hand. Hour hand, minute hand make an angle of 90 degree. Now the next question, name the points in the exterior of BCA, angle BCA, but in the interior of angle ACD. Angle BCA and angle ACD. Point P is the exterior of BCA and interior of ACD. Point P. Now the next question, state the kind of angle between the directions southeast and north. These are the directions. This is north, east, south and west. Suppose north is 0 degree. If we rotate, move towards east, it is 90 degree. Suppose we rotate up to this angle. This is southeast and north. So this angle is less than 180 but more than 90. So this angle is obtuse. Okay. Now the next question, if the measure of one angle of a linear pair is 85 degree, find the other angle. Now we know that the sum of two adjacent angle of a linear pair is 180 degree. One angle is 85. One angle is 85 degree. So the other angle will be 180 minus 85, that means 95 degree. Now the next question, find x is the given figure. The whole angle is here 360 degree. This is 40 degree. So x will be 360 minus 40, 0. 2, 3. X equal to 320 degree. Now the next question. How many degrees are there in 2 by 3 right angle? 2 by 3 into right angle means 90 equal to 60 degree. 5 by 6 straight angle, 5 by 6 into 180 equal to 150. 2 by 15 equal to multiplied by complete means 360 equal to 360 divided by 15 we will get 24. 24 into 2, 48 degree. Now the next question. Name the given angle in 6 different ways. Y, X, Z. Angle Y, X, Z. Angle Y, X, N. Angle M, X, Z. M, X, Z. Angle M, X, N. M, X, N. Angle N, X, M. N, X, M. Angle A. These are the 6 angles. Now the next question. Complete the following using the given figure. Vertex of angle 1. Angle 1 vertex is A. Another name of angle 2, DAC. DAC. Next question. Another name for 1 plus 2. Angle 1 plus angle 2. Another name of angle 1 plus 2 equal to DAB. Angle DAB. Common arm of angle 1 and angle 2. Common arm of angle 1 and angle 2 is AC. Angle 1 and angle 2 are dash angle. Now one A and 2 are adjacent angle. Now the next question. While doing drill, Rohan was asked to about turn. After 2 minutes, he was again asked to about turn. How many degrees did Rohan turn in the activity? One about turn means 180 degree. And another about turn means also 180 degree. So 180 plus 180 that is 360 degree. Now next question. Answer in yes or no. Can two acute angles be supplementary? No. Can two obtuse angles form a linear pair? No. Can linear pair be supplementary? Yes. Can two acute angles be complementary? No. Can vertically opposite angles be adjacent? No, because vertically opposite angles have common vertex, but there is no common arms. Now the next question. Look at given figure. Answer the following. Sum of angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4, angle 5 and angle 6, angle 7, angle 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the sum will be 360 degree. Angle 3 equal to vertically angles. Angle 3 vertically opposite to angle 7. So vertically opposite of angle 7. Angle 5 vertically opposite angle 5, that is 1. Vertically opposite angle 5 का 1, vertically opposite 3 का 7. Now next question, angle 4 and angle dash are adjacent angle. This is angle 4. We can say angle 5 and 4 can be adjacent because there is the common vertex and this is the common arm between angle 4 and angle 5. We can say also angle 4 angle 3 also common adjacent because on that time this is the common arm and this is the common vertex. Now next question, angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 5 plus angle 6 plus angle 7 plus angle 8 equal to 320 degree. Total 360. So the angle measure of angle 4, measure of 4, 360 minus 320 equal to 40 degree. So angle 4 equal to 40 degree. Now the next question, sum of the angles forming linear pair is always equal to dash degree, is always equal to 180 degree. A reflex angle lies between dash and dash. A reflex angle lies between 180 to 360 degree. An angle whose measure is equal to 360 degree is called dash angle, is called complete angle. Complete angle का जो measurement है वो है 360 degree. Remember, complete angle, this is complete angle. The angle turned by the minute hand of a clock from digit 2 to 8 is dash angle and measure dash degree, is straight angle and measure is 180 degree. The complete, this is not complete, this is complement. एक दूसरे का कंप्लीमेंट तब भी बोला जाता है जब दो एंगल का सम कितना होता है 90 डिग्री होता है. कंप्लीमेंट और कंप्लीट, देयर इज डिफरेंस. कंप्लीट मीन्स 360 डिग्री एंगल एंड कंप्लीमेंट मीन्स दो एंगल का सम 90 degree. Here complement of 0.5 degree is dash. 89.5 degree is the correct answer.